Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLRY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But a very impressive movement today when you stop and think about the fact that at the low today, price was all the way down there, and it's since bounced up very, very nicely. So yeah, more work that still needs to be done. But point here being, did make a nice move, but that does now lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the $5.10 mark. Now, why is 5.10 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but just for example's sake, let's say the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then continues on down. What would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you'd have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. On the flip side, because I mean, to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being $5.10. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, the main level to watch moving forward, going to be that pink line up there, the 200 period moving average, which on my chart is, not necessarily on my chart, but my chart being denoted by the pink line. But within just the general world of charting and technical analysis, that's a very well-known level. And if even if you have a basic understanding, I'm sure you've heard of it, and it tends to act as resistance. And current level of that is, I'm just going to call it right up there around $5.70. But all in all, nice bounce today. Let's see if the price can build upon this momentum moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.